Good morning, everyone. It is Monday, June 7th, 2021. Recapping from last week, I was expecting downward action Friday. We got an inversion on the green line. I was expecting the turn down here. It didn't happen. We accelerated up, and when the green line and really the blue line bottomed, we made the high. So we got an inversion there. Now we were trending upward. We have a key time at what looks like about 10:23 this morning here on the blue line. It's going to roll over. That coincides with the white window that we have coming up here. That window begins at 10:08 and goes to 10:48, 10:50 or so. You can see we have the little white window on top of the bigger white window, and a lot of times that high or low forms in there. There's another bright green window right here at 12:20 to about 12:35. You can see in the prior white window we made this low at 3:12 here. So now we're pushing upward. The Vedic indication is bullish here on the A2, B1 and B2 are bearish right now. The bullish tendency is in the lead. It looks like most likely the trend will probably move up and we could potentially get a high here at this time. The point where I have this blue vertical line is the end of the PH segment. I'm going to pull that in here just to show you that. The end of that segment comes in at about 10:22, 10:24, and that coincides with that blue line peak here on the Astro Excel. The first trade this morning right out of the box at the start at the blue segment was the secondary higher low overnight, and that put us into this move currently. So that's the indication. It's more likely we're going to move to a high into this window, this 1024 area where we coincide with these indicators is a key area. That's a good place I'd look for initiation, whether that's going to be a high or a low. Right now it looks like that may move into a high, and then we've got bearish pressure later. Once we hit that point on the Astro Excel, we have cross current. We have the blue line will be headed down the rest of the day. The green line will be heading up, and that goes beyond the close today. So a little bit of a cross current, but that's kind of what it looks like. Key point for today is, let's look at this 1024 timing area. Look for a significant reversal at that time today. So that's it for today. We will be back again tomorrow with another video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you then.